Hey guys, welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about the Galaxy A14 5G. This is, of course, a new phone that came out. It's on Boost Mobile. So very nice. Let's go ahead and get into it and talk about the specs and all the cool stuff that it has to offer. So the Galaxy A14 5G Black, 64 gigs of internal memory, of course, which is nice. This phone does retail for $200, but you can get it for $80 right now. Pretty cool. You have to check the availability and everything, but it says a smartphone for a smart price. Galaxy A14 5G comes built with large screen, and of course awesome camera and speeds with 5G high speeds. So let's see it. In the back you get the tri-camera setup, so it's probably going to be a wide, ultra wide, and a telephoto lens. You do have a flash. It does have the teardrop notch, or the front-facing camera. It looks like the buttons will be pretty nicely set up. They're going to be on the right. It looks like volume up, volume down, and power button. Looks like it has a fingerprint sensor as well, so it's pretty cool. Let's look at other things with this. So 6.6-inch display, really nice. 41 hours of talk time, guys. It's gonna have a real big battery. Android 13, and the camera, of course, is a 50 megapixel camera. So wow. It says a smartphone for a smart price. Galaxy A14 5G comes built with a large screen and awesome camera and all the essentials you need to stay connected at the speed of 5G. Pretty cool. So 5G at your fingertips. Of course, you will get a virtually lag-free 5G connectivity if you have 5G in your area. You have to have 5G in your area for this to work, guys. If you don't have 5G, it's not really worth it. It's not going to work. That's why. Snap share worthy selfies. Of course, it does have the tri-camera cameras, but in the front, it does have a real nice camera. And like I said, it does have the 3 lenses in the back with high resolution content breach. You can capture high resolution content and share it. Of course, you can say what matters with the 64 gigs of internal storage, which is pretty good. It's decent and plenty for most people. And of course, you have a big camera. So pretty short video today. Let's look at the specs. You do have a 6.6 full HD plus LCD 90 hertz. Infinity V full HD plus. Wow. So Samsung's known for their really good screens. LiPo 5000 milliamp plus 15 watt wired charging, so it's 5000 milliamp battery, and of course it does have 15 watt charging, which is nice. Processor, of course, MediaTek Dimensity 700 octa-core, 2.2 gigahertz plus a 2.0 gigahertz. Of course, you know me, I like the Snapdragons. I don't really like too much MediaTek, but operating system is Android 13, which is real nice, the newest one. Doesn't weigh that much. Of course, here's the 3 cameras: 50 megapixel main lens, 2 megapixel depth. Oh, so that's a depth lens, 2 megapixel macro, and a 13 megapixel front. So not too bad, not too shabby. Does have 4 gigs of RAM, guys. So 64 gigs of ROM, which is memory, and 4 gigs of RAM, which is really nice. I do like that. I might have to get this phone to test out the speeds and gaming and stuff. USB Type-C 2.0 5G. So connectivity, of course, so it's USB-C and then 5G. Other key features, of course, it does have that adaptive 90 hertz refresh rate, which is nice. Full HD plus display, a nice camera, and expandable storage with a micro SD card, man. Look at that coming back. A lot of people do like that feature, so it's pretty nice that they bring this back. So yeah, overall it's decent, especially if you're getting it at this price, guys. God, $80, what a steal, man. So pretty cool, guys. This is the phone. What do you think? Should I get this phone, unbox it, review it? Like I said, I think this year is the year that I have to start doing more of these, so I might have to pick it up for you guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Dragonicwarfare signing off. Quick video for you guys. Stay tuned for a lot more.